slime box. Slime box. It's a slime box. I said slime box.
A slime box.
Yes.
But there's slime inside of it.
Yes.
What kind of slime is that?
Blue.
What can you do with this slime though?
You can eat it.
Yep. It's edible slime.
Yes, edible slime. And you can eat it.
So, that's what you're doing?
Yeah.
Good. Open it up. Take it out.
There. I can open it. There we go. This is the sugar, and that's
This is the bowl.
yeah. And
We got your warm water right here.
yeah, warm water for the slime.
Hey, let me read how to do it real fast.
We need something. We need that. I'm gonna put this thing out.
You need half of this.
Yep.
Half of this
Half
seems like a lot.
of this. Have that. Have that. Sugar. I know sugar's in there. I know sugar's in there.
Move it down for them so they can see you do this.
Sugar. Sugar, sugar,
All
sugar,
right.
sugar.
It says pour half the content of the candy glue. Mix into the mixing bowl. Use the measuring spoon provided to add 4 spoonfuls of room temperature water.
Water?
Yeah.
It needs water.
Well, that's why we got that water.
Yeah, the full
We got to pour
water.
half of this in here.
And butter. Okay. We're going to mix it up. And we're going to put the water in there. We're going to put the water in there, Daddy. We're going to
Yeah.
mix it up and put it in the water.
What do you think? You think that's half?
Yeah.
Hold on.
I think that's half. Sugar and...
Maybe a little more. Let me put a little more in there for you.
That looks like a cookie. That looks like a cookie,
All right,
Daddy.
that right there might be half.
Yeah, aha.
What do you think, buddy?
That looks like a cookie.
You think that's half the bag?
Yeah, that looks like cookie. That looks like a cookie, Daddy.
All right, now we need 4
water.
spoonfuls of water.
Yeah.
There's 1. There's 2.
2. Ooh, look at it.
There's 3.
Hey, look at it.
I see it.
It's turned to something. It's...
There's 4. All right. That's it.
Mix it up. Mix it.
I see it turning. You see it?
Oh, yes, I'm seeing it turning.
All right. I think you can mix it now.
There's some on the table.
A little bit. I don't want you getting on the rug though, because Mommy will beat me up if I get this all over the rug.
What is changing?
All right, here you can mix it. Keep stirring it.
Stirring. What the heck?
Keep stirring.
Stir.
Keep it inside the bowl.
Stirring. 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 thing. It looks like a monster. Get out. It's really changing, Daddy. It's really changing.
Mm-hmm. Get all that powder. See that white powder?
Yeah.
Try to get all of it.
All of it.
Let me see. Look.
It's turned to yellow. It's turned to yellow, Daddy. Daddy, it's turned to yellow.
It turned to purple.
Oh. And now it's turned to blue.
It smells pretty good though, don't it?
Yes, it do. Candy one.
It's so thick though.
Thick?
And this is what you're supposed to eat? Ooh, there's still some sugar in there. See that sugar?
Yeah.
You gotta mix all that up.
Yeah!
Good. Mix all that up.
All that up now?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay. What the heck? Come on.
Be careful.
What the heck? It's really turned to it.
Let's roll your sleeves back.
There. Daddy, come here. Daddy,
I'm coming.
is someone here?
Huh?
Look, I did. Look, I did. It's turning.
You gonna eat it?
What?
You gonna eat it?
What?
Are you going to eat it?
Yes.
Good. Sit down. They can't see you. Look.
Right here?
Sit. Sit down where you was.
Right here.
Okay, try it. What's it taste like? Give me a look.
It tastes like watermelon juice. It tastes like watermelon juice.
That's nasty. You like it?
Yeah.
This is really edible slime.
Apple slime, yeah.
Candy.
You get it with your hands.
Done. Are you done? Are you ending the video? Why you keep get down and talk to him, man?
I'm not done. Get down on my face. I'm trying to do something right here. It's not done, Daddy. You can't see this. I'm not done. It's really edible slime. You can't play with it. You can't play with
You
it.
do play with it. You play with it and eat it.
Yes.
It's really thick though.
Yeah. Mm.
I don't know how you like that. That just looks nasty. It don't look good. Let me add a little bit more water to it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna dump a little bit, and then you mix it.
Okay. It's gone down.
Did I put some in there?
Yeah.
I did? No, I didn't.
Oh, you did.
There, mix that up.
Okay. I'm gonna mix it up. I'll put it in there. I'm gonna put it in there, Daddy. Mix, mix. Mix. Edible slime. What the heck? It's edible slime. There. I mixed.
So are you done?
Yeah.
You done with the video?
Yeah. No, I'm not done.
You're not done with the video?
I'm not done with the video.
Then why do you keep getting up? Look, they can, when you stand up, they can't see you. You gotta sit down. See? They can see you. But when you stand up, they can't see you. Why do you keep standing up? Talk to them.
Hey, this is edible slime. See? It's edible slime. I mixed. With water in there. Where's the water, Daddy?
I took the water away. We don't need no more water.
Why is the water right?
We don't need no more water, man.
There's water in there. Is there water in there?
Yes, there's water in there, but we don't need it.
There's sugar right here.
It's fine. We'll clean it up. He wanted to show you guys his edible slime,
Yeah.
but he keeps getting up away from me. It's like I feel like he's getting ready to get up in a second. You getting ready to get up, ain't you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'm not.
You're goofy. Anyways, he wanted to show you guys.
The edible slime.
Yeah, his edible slime.
Yep. With a sister on there. That's not a sister.
He had it for a minute. So, we just decided to do this. There's actually a lot more to that. That probably makes a good bit of slime, to be honest.
Yeah.
It's blue raspberry. He likes the flavor. He likes the taste. I that's nasty. I think it tastes nasty. I think it tastes gross, but it's edible.
I love it.
You love it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You do like it.
And that's edible slime. Edible slime.
Edible slime.
No, I said
Yeah, I don't even think you can eat that, man.
Help
It's so thick.
Help me, Daddy.
I don't want to eat it.
Help. I said help me.
Help you do what?
Dad. For the spoon. That's a spoon. That's a really spoon, Daddy.
It's the measuring spoon, yeah.
Yeah, a measuring spoon.
Like, look at that.
Looks like a tower. That looks like a tower, Daddy.
Look at that.
That's not.
Put your fingers in it.
What the heck?
You can play with it, man. Look.
Okay.
Look, like she's doing.
Yeah. I'm gonna grab it.
Go ahead, grab it, I guess. We're gonna have to wash your hands after you're done.
With the spoon. I can grab the spoon.
Go ahead. And get down so they can see you, man.
My hands.
Your hands. We're gonna have to end your video soon because I gotta talk to Mama.
Ty's gonna see this thing.
Hmm?
Ty's gonna see this thing.
Maybe you and Sissy can make more this weekend.
For you. Look at my fingers in there. What does get out? It can get out.
You really like it?
Yeah.
Don't get it nowhere else but your hands and your mouth, okay?
Okay.
Sit down and end your video. End it.
Why?
Cause we need to end it now. This is a whole video. This is a whole 16 minutes of nothing, man. Come on, where you going? Tell them subscribe
Subscribe
to the Struggle Family.
the Struggle Family. I said the Struggle Family.
You did. You're funny though, huh?
Can I push the button?
Do you want to push the button? Why do you want to push the button so bad?
Cause
What if I want to push the button?
why?
Cause I like pushing the button.
You don't like pushing the button.
No, you don't like pushing the button.
Why is hair on you?
I'm about to push your face. You put your face inside that slime.
Why?
I'm putting your face in there.
No, don't put
All right. Tell them to subscribe, like the video, share it.
share it and subscribe to our channel.
Now you can go push the button. Peace.
Peace.